Welcome! In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can use FaceReader Online and measure facial expressions from people all over the world. I will show you how you can upload a video, use one simple link to invite someone to watch the video, and look at the results. If you also want to ask your participants some questions, have a look at our other tutorial video where I explain how you can incorporate a survey tool in your project. Let's begin by logging on to the platform. Click on Create New Project to get started. Under Details, you can specify the project name. Filling out the other information is optional. For example, you can select the Privacy by Design option, where no recordings of people are stored in the platform. Or you can determine when your project automatically goes offline. If you hover your mouse over a box, it will give you extra information. Click on Create to continue. You can simply follow each step to go to the next step. If you go to Users, you can create new users for your company. You can add colleagues or clients. By selecting different roles, you can determine whether they are allowed to change things in your project or only view the results. We will continue to the tab Media Files. This step is very important. Here you determine the video that you want people to watch. Click on Upload New Media File and select the video. Most video formats are supported. For an overview of all video types, go to Help and look at the technical requirements. Wait a few minutes for the video to finish converting. You can refresh the page to see if it is finished. Once the video is converted, you can click on Episodes. Here you can name specific parts of the video so you can easily compare them later. I have now uploaded one video, but you can also include multiple videos in one project. Once you upload the video, you can test the integration with your survey or website, or you can start collecting data right away. To ensure that the results are analyzed, go back to Details and set the project status to Active. There are multiple ways to invite participants. The simplest way is to click on Create Link. Here you can determine whether you want to match the participant ID with other data. We'll keep it simple and select No. Select your video or multiple videos and click Next. Here are some optional settings. You can select your own redirect links that determine where the participant goes if the video finished or failed to finish. You can also change the language of the participant instructions, or change the color or size of the recorder window. You can leave everything empty to select the default and already start a recording. Now you have a generic link that you can give to multiple participants at the same time. You can test it right away and record yourself. Participants will give informed consent and will have to give access to the camera. Once the face is found, the participant can click play and the video will start. Now the facial expressions of the participant have been recorded. If you go to recordings, you can see that the participant is recorded and that the video is being converted. Refresh the page to see if the video is analyzed. With the link we used, the participant ID is automatically generated. The quality of the recording is given a grade in the circle here. A higher grade and green color represent a good quality recording. Low quality scores indicate that only few frames are successfully analyzed. This can, for example, be due to bad lighting or the face not being clearly visible. Recordings of low quality are automatically excluded from the group analysis. You can manually include, exclude, or delete participants by clicking on the box behind the participant and then clicking, for example, Exclude in the above row. To view the individual results, go to Participant Results. The software also gives an estimation of the age and gender of the participant. Here you can select View Recordings and look at the expressions that are analyzed. Once multiple participants have watched your video, you can look at the group results here. You can manually select graphs, or you can get a quick overview of the results. You can compare media files, participant groups, or episodes in your video. Now you know how to set up a basic project. If you want to buy credits, you can send us an email or buy them via the platform. Please always email us for your first purchase so we can offer you the sharply priced welcome package. This tutorial showed you how you can use FaceRead Online in your marketing or scientific research with just 3 simple steps. 1. Upload your video. 2. Send people the link. And 3. Start looking at the results. We hope this video helped introduce FaceRead Online. Visit our website or contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.